Hey guys, welcome to Adulting Without Supervision, and today we're going to talk about the EcoSmart 27 electric tankless water heater and the Pelican whole house water filtration system. So we're going to start off with the tool that I didn't think I needed, but ended up buying because it was absolutely necessary, the street key. Now, where your water comes in at might be different than ours, but ours is right at the curb. All you got to do is lift this lid up. You're going to look down in there and there's a meter. Alongside the meter, there is a valve to turn your water off. If your previous water heater was a gas heater, make sure while you're outside that you go over to your house meter and turn the gas off. Pretty simple. Just line the two holes up and that's when you know it's shut off. Now, the actual water heater removal was last year before Josh had me really helping with the videos too much, so unfortunately I don't have that recorded. But here's a bit of a dumbed down version of how I removed it, just to better illustrate how you could actually get your own out. Oh god, and this is my awful attempt at trying to show you where all the new piping was fed through. And no, unfortunately, this isn't up to code due to the fact that I had a limited amount of space. This obviously should be spread out a little more, a little bit easier to get to everything, but all I was working with was where the previous water heater was. We had decided to go ahead and get the whole house water filtration system to protect the water heater and make it last a little bit longer. Now, if you have a normal water heater, this is still a good idea to go ahead and do the same thing because it will also extend its life. The Pelican water filter system that we chose is just a fiber filter, a carbon filter, and a water conditioner. And yes, it's a water conditioner, not a water softener. And of course, we didn't think of getting a water catching pan, so we just ended up using this shoe mat instead. It had a high enough wall, I think it's okay. We did go ahead and mount the water heater, so that way we knew where we wanted our piping to run. Oh, and here's a chart that shows you what model can handle what region, in case you're not sure. It does only light up when it's being used, or if there's a problem. If you ever need to take the panel off in order to get into it for some reason, there's only 4 screws, and I've highlighted them all here. And here's how easy it is to remove the front panel. Unless you're me, and you can't figure out, why won't this move? Oh, the button was supposed to be removed first. I'm an idiot. Here's an example of how long it takes in real time for it to heat the water. I just went ahead and skipped to this point. That way you can go ahead and see what its top temp is. And if you're wondering about the water filter, this is the fiber filter after 6 months. The charcoal filter, you only have to recharge every 5 years. And the water conditioner is good for life. Hey guys, that's it for this video. If you have any suggestions for videos you'd like done in the future, please leave us a comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.